watching what's inside of a disposable vape, and we opened this one up only because when we tried to use it, it didn't work. So right here you got some, see that? And it's got the juice in there. So this was inside of there, that little hole. More juice here. You got a positive and negative wire. When you suck in from this side right here, this thing right here tells it that you're sucking, and then the battery heats it up. When the battery heats it up, all it's doing is heating that up, and then you get a vape of cloud. So somehow, if we could recharge this battery, probably isn't going to happen, but if you did after your battery died, and then you can refill this right here with juice, which is really cheap, you can reuse a vape over and over and over again. So, but it is probably possible to recharge one of these batteries, because these type of chargers right here are made to do that. So if you could possibly hook up a positive and negative on each one of those sides and charge this up, you could figure out that the black is the negative and the red is the positive on that side, and you could probably recharge this damn thing and have a disposable reusable vape probably for a really long time. Anyway, so that's what's inside of a vape. That's what you landed on, and that's all it is. Little simple mechanism right here that tells it when you're sucking, battery, and you got your juice. So thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps you on what you were looking for. Oh, and if you're asking how I popped this open, it was this end first right here. If you could see this right here, all I did is take a razor blade and I wiggled it right in between there, and it popped out. This side does not want to come out, the part that you suck from. So if you want to get into one of these, that's how you get into it, from that section there. And I just pulled it and it slid right out. Try not to rip the wires. If you do it real slow, you can do that. So, all right, that's it. Thanks for watching.